What's up, everybody? My name is Issa Connell, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about scams in the crypto space. Now, we're just going to have a conversation, me to you, my experience in the crypto industry, and just dabbling with NFTs and stuff like that on the whole. So basically, I got started in 2017. Started a idea with a good friend called Everett Farmer. We wanted to start a business in Trinidad and Tobago mining cryptocurrency. Now, the twist of that is that in Trinidad, the price for electricity is way more cheaper because, in my country, we actually produce fossil fuels and different gases and stuff like that. So power is relatively cheaper over there. So we came up with an idea. We wrote a white paper and all that stuff to have a renewable energy company, but it was really going to be a Bitcoin mining company in general. And that's just a little bit about what we was doing in the crypto space. Now, I made a lot of money in the crypto industry, and I lost a lot of money in the crypto industry at the same time, because you know what they say: once it comes fast, it goes fast. So you got to really pay attention to the opportunities that comes up in the crypto realm, because if it looks a little bit too good to be true, normally it is. So be very careful with opportunities where that is concerned with cryptocurrency. Now, a little bit about my experience in getting scammed. I'll give you a number. $1.5 million. That's how much I got scammed out of from investing. So I invested about 20 to 30,000, and on the flip side, it got up to a certain amount that I invested in one of those startup projects, in China, or where was it? I don't know. It was one of the Asianic countries. Met someone online, started talking crypto because everybody's excited about it, making money here, there, everywhere. So joined this little startup, invested the money, watching the money grow. Now, my friend, the same friend I mentioned, Everett Farmer, he looked at me and he was like, "East, I don't think that's a good investment," but he knew what it is too, because he lost a lot of money as well, trading and investing and stuff like that. So I told him, it's all in or nothing. Let's see what's gonna happen. I may turn out to be a mega millionaire or something along those lines. It didn't happen that way. I ended up losing all that money from that, and it wasn't a great feeling, right? So I would say, when it comes to startup stuff, all new cryptos could be tracked on the blockchain. Anything that's new could be tracked, and if you cannot track it, if you cannot find it, do not touch it. Do not get close to it. Do not put no money in it. Don't try to see if something's gonna happen. Don't do it. There was this company called BitConnect back in the day. BitConnect was basically a multi-level marketing type thing. So you join, you get other people to join, and once other people join, you start getting money from that. So pretty much the pot was getting built up from other people joining the platform and and adding money in there. It was a very popular crypto. It wasn't the first multi-level marketing type crypto that hit the game back in 2017. So everybody was on it. Now, I put I think 1,500 on there. It got up to 5,000, and then they end up doing they did back then ICOs was big. Initial coin offers was huge. So they did that, started a business, got the money from that, and then from there they started a new ICO for a new BitConnect coin for $50 a pop for one. They sold out instantly. So right after they sold out, they rug pulled. All the money was gone. You can't find nobody. And everybody was up in arms. I got my friend to join. I got a couple other people to join. My friend lost like, a couple $1,000. I lost a couple $1,000. The people who wanted to invest was like, I'm happy I didn't join. But that's a part of the whole thing in this cryptocurrency game. In this cryptocurrency game, if you if you haven't got scammed at least once or twice, you're not a real crypto enthusiast. With that said, but still, you could learn from other people's, you could learn from other people's examples. You could learn from other people's experience. Use their pain as your teacher, and not dabble in these things. Again, be very careful. Especially with this new trend of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. There's a lot of people that are creating non-fungible tokens with no utility behind it, just to have a picture, and that's not what it's about. Non-fungible tokens is basically for the utility behind it. So whatever you're getting from that, not just because the thing is cool and the picture looks awesome and stuff like that. Always look for the utility behind NFTs. Maybe being a part of a group to learn about small business, or you become a part of a group to learn about cryptocurrency, or for whatever. The utility just have to add to your benefit when you're putting your money in there. So don't follow the hype, and don't follow everybody that wants to create an NFT just for NFT sakes. I wanted to create an NFT for black people facing mental illness. It's something, especially black men facing mental illness. I wanted to create an NFT about that, so we could have a community of black men talking about it. We see what happened with the Will Smith situation, with the Kanye situation. Having money doesn't change that. You still got to figure out how to live and how to be the best person, for your significant other, your child, or anybody who's depending on you. So it is a serious thing. So I wanted to create an NFT because of that. I'm talking about it on here. Anybody could take the idea. I don't care. Because it's something that's needed. If somebody get to it faster than me, by all means, let's do it. But definitely, there's a lot of opportunities in the NFT space. Now I'm rolling with Eric Kofi. I'm making this video specifically for him, because what he's doing in the small business realm of government contracting is huge, right? Is huge stuff. So I'm offering my services and my know-how in cryptocurrency to make sure that his platform takes off and does well in this industry of NFTs and small business and government contracting and stuff along those lines. What else I could speak to you guys about? Okay, the nano ledgers, cold storages. Let's talk about nano ledgers and cold storages. Now, there's this like a jump drive that they call a nano ledger, where you could hold all of your cryptocurrency on. You want to be careful with that as well. If you're purchasing a nano ledger, it's highly recommended that you get it from the actual site that's selling it, the company that created it. You want to get it from there. You could get it on Amazon, and it might be cheaper than getting it from the website. However, these things could be programmable. You could have some backdoor code on there to where you put your cryptocurrency in, and boom, bam, bam. You look on your nano ledger, and your cryptocurrency is gone because you got it from a third party and not the actual website. So keep that in mind. If you're buying any kind of cold storage of any sort, you want to get it from the website that is selling said cold storages. You don't want to get something that's unpackaged. You want to get it wrapped, sealed, vacuum sealed. Nobody had access to it but the person that created it, the company that created it, and you. So keep that in mind with your cold storage and stuff along those lines. Now, this is a video about just crypto scams, and again, I'm just talking to you we're having a conversation about this. So I'm gonna have another video coming up soon, getting in depth to what these things is about, especially with scamming and stuff like that. You want to know about these things before you put your money in, because this ain't no bank. You ain't got no insurance on your money, none of that stuff. It is based on you, on your storage, on your understanding of where you put in your cryptos. It's on you. Everything is on you. Your money is in your hand. That's what cryptocurrency is about, right? You want to be able to have a proper understanding of cybersecurities and stuff along those lines moving forward. I don't want to get this video too long. I'm going to, get this situated, get it put up online. After this, once there's any other videos that I want to cover as far as like within the scamming realm or the cybersecurity realm of cryptocurrency, I'm definitely going to create those. But definitely stay tuned for more information on NFTs, cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, where is it going, and stuff along those lines. And we will definitely talk then. Thank you so much. See you later.